Welcome to Samara University and the Aeronautical Engineering Institute. We are one of the universities renowned for its teaching, research achievements and social and economic contributions. We are proud to be in the 5 top 100 universities in Russia and to be recognized in the international academic community. Expertise and state-of-the-art research and engineering facilities at our university combine to allow multidisciplinary research, teaching and postgraduate training to flourish. Our lecturers and researchers are involved in developing new devices, new methods and new techniques to contribute to the well-being of people and, of course, to contribute to the development of aircraft design, construction and maintenance. So, if you are fascinated by aviation, I'm sure that if you choose Samara University, you will get an interesting and a high-profile profession. This will let you confidently and successfully walk through life. In this introduction, I would like to address to-be student and high school students. The right profession for you is something that you have to consider now, and it is very important not to make a mistake. After all, this profession will affect your future promotion at work, career, and family well-being of your future, whether you will enjoy your work or it will turn into a burden for you. I would like to provide you with all possible assistance in this matter and to introduce you to one of the majors of the Aeronautical Engineering Institute, maintenance of aircraft and aircraft engines. If you, as a result of this presentation, would choose this job, I would be more than happy to welcome you at Samara University at the Aeronautical Engineering Institute. I'm also happy to welcome you to the hometown of the Samara University. Samara is the 6th largest city in Russia and it is the center of the Samara region and aerospace cluster. It stands on 2 beautiful rivers, the Volga and the Samara, in a wonderful valley near the Zhiguli Mountains. Moreover, we are very proud to host the 2018 Football Championship, which proves that Samara provides a friendly and welcoming environment and community. And we also have so many places to see and visit here. So everybody, welcome to the Samara University.